I remember when my partner and I hit a rough patch. We were constantly arguing, and it felt like there was no way out. One day, we decided to sit down and talk, really talk, about our feelings and frustrations. It wasn't easy, but it was the first step towards understanding each other. We also made a commitment to spend quality time together, no distractions. Simple activities like cooking dinner together or taking a walk helped us reconnect. Communication was key. We learned to express our needs without blaming each other. Another important thing was seeking help. We found a great therapist who guided us through our issues and taught us valuable tools for conflict resolution. It showed us that it's okay to ask for help and that we didn't have to face our problems alone. Looking back, those tough times made our relationship stronger. If you're struggling, remember that every relationship has its ups and downs. Stay patient, keep communicating, and don't be afraid to seek support. You can get through this together.